Sorry for the lack of updates recently. To be honest, everything just got a little bit too much. I was spending way too much time editing and shooting, and I wasn't really making any progress, and it just started getting too much. I wasn't really getting a lot of sleep. So my updates are probably going to be a little bit less frequent, but that will just mean that there'll be more progress to show in every episode. So pretty much was kind of planning to paint the boat this week, but the weather, even though it looks nice now, it wasn't like this all week. I kind of need near perfect conditions really to get the paint on, but I have the paint, so that's a big one. The forehatch is sealed, that's done. The chain plates are on now, that's done. I've been working on the through hulls, so they're almost done, and my mast is pretty much ready to go now as well. I rewired it completely. I put new wiring in it, new masthead light, new spreader lights, and I wired it up nicely, so that's done too. Yeah, lovely day. So next steps really are, I'm gonna put my mast up. I've got new rigging. I've got brand new rigging. I've got new cap shrouds, new intermediate shrouds, and a new backstay. And after I've saved up a bit more money again, I'm going to do the forestay, and I'm going to do the 2 forestays, and I'm going to do the 2 running backstays. So I just need to save up a bit of money because I'm a bit broke. Yeah, I'm a bit broke because I'm after spending all my money on big loads of wire for the mast. So yeah, just got to get them dollar bills. To be honest, I've just been kind of picking up the small jobs that just take time and they're just boring to do, and just doing them. Like, I'm really excited about getting the paint on, because that's something that I have been wanting to do for ages, because I think that the boat's just going to look so different. I've actually stripe coated, I'll show you. I've stripe coated the underneath the cap rail, and that'll kind of stop the stuff getting water, rust and stuff. Yeah. So I've put like a seam sealer up in here. Hang on. Yeah, it's all like a special seam sealer, and it's used for when you weld car body panels together. You use this to seal them up so they don't rust. So that's been done on both sides of the cap rail. Yeah, we're getting there though. I did it as well. I did it underneath the windows under here, and the forehatch is on, the chain plate is on. I need to do the other side, and the boat's actually only this big. It's actually a lot smaller than it looks. So I'm probably doing my whole rambling thing again, but I talk to myself like all day, so what do you expect? Sorry. Anyway, yeah, I spend all day on my own talking to myself, so like, of course I'm gonna ramble. I'm gonna try and just show you more work stuff. So I'm literally just gonna play some B-roll with some fancy tunes now for the next 2-3 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what you actually want to see, because it's very hard for me to know, because I see it all and I can't see it from your perspective. So leave a comment and actually tell me what you want to see, because there's 2,000 or 3,000 of you now, and it's going to be very hard to keep everyone happy. here is I've got my junction box attached to the mast here, and I'm going to run all my wires up into the junction box through the bottom. Mounted the mast headlight, job done. What you can see me doing here is basically trying to make a mould. I'm trying to bend 1/2 inch ply for the top of the hatch, but it didn't really work. The ply is a bit too heavy, so I'm gone on to something else, and I'm gonna try out plan B, and I'll detail that in a later episode. I need to take all the old through holes out of the bow, and the best way to do that is to drill a hole and then use a similar hole just to weld it in. But what I'm going to do is to get that hole is I'm going to tack weld this on so that it glides my hole saw through to clean out this hole, and then I'll take another piece of metal, I'll weld that in then. For now I'm just going to tack that on, drill, and then weld in my new blanket plate. Hello? Hello? How do we feel about that? Nice job, isn't it? So we're tasty. So we're bolted onto the spreader, and we've got special lightweight mounting brackets onto our 3D printed lightweight racing bracket, holding our lightweight racing lights.
All 3D printed composite material, specialised purchased composite material.
Anti-UV materials, because it's white.
Everything is composite.
Brilliant. That's the job. I'm happy with that. So hopefully you enjoyed all of that progress, because I really did. Those 3D printed brackets were actually designed by Iril, who I talk about all the time, and they're on his boat holding the exact same spreader lights, and they've worked fantastically for the last year. So yeah, I'm really excited about getting those up, because the next stage is to get the mast up, and hopefully by the time I see you again I'll have stepped the mast and we can like test all of the electrics and stuff with the battery down at the base of the mast. That's really going to be cool, especially at night. I'm going to turn all the lights on and I'm going to take pictures. Yeah, I'm going to go to bed because it is 1:30 in the morning and I need to go to sleep because I need to go to work. Yeah, so I'm going to sign off and go to sleep.